Hey everybody, let me show you what I got going on today. This is a bad boy desktop. This thing is pretty awesome. Check this out. RGB triple fan on the top. RGB triple fan on the side. RGB triple fan on the bottom. And one exhaust over here. Check out video card 3090. RGB on that, and little Lian liquid cooler. This is one nice desktop, thick as a brick, weighs, I don't know, like 100 pounds. You're saying, why is it here? Well, had problems with the operating system crashed, so basically it's doing a fresh OS install. I was suspecting that it might have had some problem because they tried to reinstall the operating system and it wouldn't go through, but no, I mean, no problems. The other thing we're going to do is also we're going to update that BIOS right there. What do we got? 2021. So we got about some new BIOSes out right here on the web page. BIOS is out actually from last month, so we're gonna do a little BIOS update on it as well. This thing is pretty sick. I mean, as far as top of the line, this is probably one of the best computers I've had here. What do we got? The specs over here. I think we had it right there. i9 12900K. What do we got for RAM? 64 gigs of RAM and a 2 terabyte SSD. So yeah, you need a little forklift to carry this thing. It's so heavy. I think it has like a 1500 watt power supply. So luckily it was, sometimes when a computer comes in, especially a gaming computer like this, it comes in and says, oh, I just need a fresh installation. Usually there's like something probably wrong with the computer, because generally you would do a reset my computer within Windows, and if there's nothing wrong, I mean, that should generally work. But in this case, everything looks good to go. So we're gonna get this bad boy or bad girl out of here, and that's what's going on right here, right now at PC 911.